Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn loops. Now, what is mean by loops? A loop is a sequence of instructions that is repeated until a certain condition is reached, which means that a part of the code is executed again and again until the termination condition is reached. Now, there are three types of loops. One is while loop, another one is do while, and the final one is for loop. Mostly everyone uses for loop, and the for loop is the most important loops of all looping statements. Now we will discuss everything. First we will come to while loop. A while loop in C language repeatedly executes a target statement as long as a given condition is true. Now coming to the syntax of while loop. The syntax of while loop is while, keyword while, and the condition which while loop have to check, curly braces open close, and inside this you are going to write your statement. For better understanding, let's see an example. Hashtag include stdio.h int main. Now suppose the question is like print 1 to 10 numbers. Then you might say that we can print like printf1, printf2, printf3, printf we'll print linely up to 10 numbers. But what if they have given 100 numbers, or if they have asked like print the sum of 100 numbers, then what are you gonna do? Here the looping statements comes into the play. Now for example, let's print 10 elements. You can get a better idea. We will write while loop, while keyword. The condition should be wait, we will declare a variable int a, and we will give the a value as 1. Now the condition is a should be less than or equal to 10, curly braces open. We will print a, printf a percentage d, or else let's print a message that the value of a is comma a semicolon. Now we will increment the a by 1 for every single time. Now what this means, that what this set of statements means, that up to the a value reaches 11 means initially the a value is 1. After executing this, the a value is incremented by 2. Again this would execute, means a value is 2, which satisfies this condition, so again it will execute. Now it becomes 3. Again the 3 also satisfies, and also again it would execute. Now 4, like that it will go so on up to 10. If the value if for 10, after 10 it will become 11. The 11 does not satisfy this case, the 11 does not satisfy this condition, so it gets terminated. The while loop gets terminated, and you will get your results. Wait, let's check. Compile and run. Oh shit, we didn't print in new line. For our better understanding, we will print everything in new line /n. Now you can see that the value of a is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. With this you can do like sum of 10 numbers also. Wait, I will show you how to do it. Sum, let's declare another variable sum. We will initialize it to 0. Sorry, I declare sum. Let's initialize it to 0. what we are gonna do is a plus plus, we will do that sum equal to sum plus a. As previous case we are doing the same, means at starting the sum value is 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. The 1 will be stored in sum. Again, if a value changes to 2, already in sum the value is 1. Now what will happen? 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 will be stored. In same way, again and again this will be rotating. Now if you print the value of sum here, you will be getting 10 sum values. Means, like, I will show you, you can understand it betterly. Every time it will print the same. Every time it will print the sum. For every while condition executed, it will print the sum. You can see that it is printing every time. Wait for better understanding. Let's use /n. See, you can see that every time it is printing, starting 1, 3, and 3 plus 3 6, and 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. Every time it is printing. Now what should we do to neglect this thing, means to overcome this limitation? Just we should do that, we should write the printf statement outside the while loop. %d comma sum. Now let's execute and see whether we will get correct answer or not. The sum of 10 natural numbers is 55. So let's compare and run whether it you can see that it is showing 55. It's correct. Means what happening here is the sum at last, means after ending the while loop, the sum of the value would be 55. Means it would be storing every value and it would be adding everything. So at last it would be having 55 in it. So if we are printing the sum, it will show the last, at last what is the final value of sum, it will print the final value. Now this is how to print sum using while loop. Now similarly, if we want to print the sum of values 1 to n, n we will get it from the user. Let's see how to do it. Let's write printf statement, enter the value of n. Let's take the value of n from user. Now let's scan the statement. Let's declare the n above. Now can you guess the condition? What should be in the place of 10? It's nothing but n. If you keep the n, it will execute up to n, up to the condition is less than or equal to n. Now let's execute and see whether it works or not. We will give n value as 10. You can see that you got 55. Let's check for other case. We will give the value of n 6. You can see that 21, and let's give 4. You can see that it's 10. Now it's simple, right? That's all about while loop, guys. I thought of doing all the 3 looping statements, while loop, do while, and for loop in a single video, but the length of the video is too large, so I split it into 3 parts. Today while loop, and in next 2 videos probably we are going to discuss do while and for loop. If possible, we will merge both in one video. Try to experiment different kinds of possibilities so that you can get a strong grip in loops. Loops are very important in doing any kind of problem, so please concentrate these loops. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you do find this video helpful, please smash that like button down below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.